All right, we're about to begin game 2, May 5th, 2025. Cryptids versus the Blizz. See if I can identify the starting five. We got Captain Brennan Yale. Got Jeffrey Kuster, Garrett Oliver, Justin Parmalee taking the draft. On the far side, I'm not sure, maybe Graves. There's a couple players I don't know yet on the Cryptids. All right, referee, former referee Zach Betts taking the draw here at center with Jake Bowling and Polimas. Darren Treves and Stillman on the back end. That's a pretty tough D pair. Blizzard win the drop. Polimas has it over to Treves. Treves gets in the zone clean. Treves to Polimas. Broken up by a stick. Treves back to Stillman. Shot. Polimas trying to get it down with the high stick. Yeah, these guys are swarming. Treves getting another shot. Hits the net. Treves, Polimas, Betts, Stellerman, Bowling, all on the ice. My gosh. Face off one by the Blizz. Treves over to Stellerman. Stellerman loses it to Close-in. Bowling pops it back to Stillman. Nice play. Shot wide. Treves has it. Over to Betts. Betts has plenty of room. Shoots it. Deflected into the corner. Gathered up by Polimas. Treves has it. Cross ice back to Betts. That's to Polimas. That was wacky. Treves keeping it onside. Nice play over to Stillman. Stillman has it. Now the resistance from Parmalee. Makes him dump it in. Kuster bodies him off the ball. Kuster comes out with it. Nice play. Offensive onslaught here. Garrett Oliver trying to get out of the zone. Chips it over to Yale out of the zone. That has one D. Over Treves. Treves drink wide over to Josh King. King dances around him. King back to Chris Boylan, who just entered. Oh, just wide. Chris Delvito and Edenburn with a shiny blue new helmet. You got a new helmet. Delvito has it. We got Edenburn here in the foreground. Still in the zone. Parmalee gets it out. Parmalee dumps it, looking for change. King gathers it. He's got Treves on the D-line with him. King looking for a pass recipient. Pops for Treves. Treves leads it in. Drops it back to Edenburn. Edenburn over to King. King rips it. Very high. Hits the net. Face off. Yeah, referee calling for the face-off all the way out, which is the correct play. Yeah. Delvito taking the drop against Alex Betts. Betts wins it, rips it. Oh, it's like that, I missed it. Boylan brings it over the line, has Delvito and Edenburn with him. Boylan looks for the late end, no. Into Delvito. Back to Boylan. Stillman has it. His backhand move over the forehand. Still has it on the sideboard. Alright, Garrett Oliver has it. Plenty of room. Puts it over to Colleton. Colleton loses the zone. Grabbed up by Kuster here. Reset up. Joe Bowling just got here. Cryptids bench scary thin again. You know, Cryptids are scary, but their bench is usually scary thin. Unfortunately, it seems true again this week. May 5th. King calling for it. He dumps it in the corner. Cryptids has it. Looking for Joe bowling. That King has it. Good pressure by Bowling and Oliver, but Nowakowski still comes out with it for the Blizz. Oh, looking for the man. Had it right by the net. King looking at deep. Nope. Nice play there by Connaughton. Schuster has it. Looking for the pass up to Joe Bowling. Misses. Icing on the play. Face up down here again. Cryptid zone. All right, ladies and gentlemen, Toby Bowling for the Cryptids has arrived. That's another solution for a short bench is a Toby Bowling. Guy who can munch quite a lot of minutes. Little dude is in shape. All right, Hare take of the face-off against Parmalee. I call him Hare because I can't read his name. Treves has it. Nice little fake move on Joe Bowling. Rips it. Still loose, still loose. Hare has it. Nope. Garrett Oliver makes a nice heads-up play. Stick down right in front of me. Nowakowski has it. It's over the zone. Still in. Hatter. I think he kept it in. It's in right now. Still in on chase. Beautiful pass over to Hatter. Hatter dumps it in. Goalie covers it. No trouble. Just over 6:45 remaining in the first period. Game 2, May 5th, 2025. One by the Cryptids. That follows it out. Napolitan. Stillman gets it first. That's on the edge. Parmalee gets it deep. Dalton gets lifted by Stillman. Looks like the Cryptids are missing Dom Iravante this week. Here's Toby. Told you he got here. Kids gets it back, puts it on. Nope. Saved by the goaltender. Rips it. Saved. And saved by Platt. Fulton gets it out of the zone. Pursued by Toby. Treves has it. Polimas tags up. Treves back in the zone. Over to Betts. Betts back to King. King over to Polimas. In the corner. Looking for Treves. He has a shot. King calling for it. Guess he thinks he's a ref. Alright, there we go. Pretty soft down here. Parmalee lining up against Zach Betts. Just under 5 minutes remaining in the first. Won by the Blizzard. Back to Treves. Treves over to Betts. Bowling over to Betts. Still at the feet. Nobody can find it. Culleton trying to get Treves tips it over to Bowling. Bowling, nice idea. Read like a book by Yale. Yale gets the feet. Nice heads-up play by Brennan Yale. King coming back. Here's Betts. Back to King. King with a hard pass over to Edenberg. Edenberg can't quite shoot it. Not in that position. Stillman does. Deflected over. Boylan has it in the corner. King moving. Yale read that pass too. Boyle makes a nice rotation, gets out of Yale's way, right to Betts. I believe Betts just iced it. He did. Face off. 5, Christopher Boylan. Number 6, Frankie Talvita for the Blues. Captain, 66, Edinburgh. There's Toby over there. On your wing, Joshua King with the hood. Still no right. But the Blues, Boylan has it. That's looking to get around Stillman for a pass, 3-on-2. Rips it into the corner, just so hard now. Toby Boylan coming out, pursued by Josh King. He's got his Uncle Joe in front of the net. Ripped by Parm. There's a deflection, Toby has it. Parma has it on the point, back to Toby. Toby has Bats. Bats with the shot deflected, still in play. Joe Bowling back to Bats, wrong hand though. Talvita on the rush, nice pass over to Boylan. Boylan, Edinburgh, Talvita on the rush. Talvita has it, pass over to Edinburgh. Boylan still has it back to King. King over Boylan, sticked away by Parm. Yeah, icing play. Toby dumped it just a little too soon. Just over 2 minutes remaining in the first period. Nowakowski, Talvita, and Hatter lining up for the Blizz. Stillman and Treves on D. Parmalee facing up against Talvita, old high school line mates, I believe. Yale has it, pops it in the corner. Toby looking for the outlet. No, back to Stillman. Stillman back deep from Nowakowski. Yale breaks it up. Flipped by Parmalee. It's going to be an icing. Waved off by referee. Passed by Stillman over to Hare. Nowakowski has it. Nowakowski back to Hare. Taken by Parmalee. Parmalee flips up the boards. Reeves has it. Dances around Parmalee. Into Yale. Past Yale. Rips it. It's wide. Kuster has it. He's pursued by Treves. He flutters it a little bit. Good over. Hatter keeps it in his zone. Nice play there. Back to Parmalee. Parmalee looking for Toby Bowling. Gotta get over that center line. He does. Puts it in. Hatter has it behind the net. Nice hot pass over to Treves. Treves finds Hare. Hare looking to dump it in. Kuster has a nice, beautiful pass. And we're on the rush. Nice rip by Bowling, but high. Fullerton over there defending Treves. Nice. Pass well read by Yale. Nice play there. Ooh, pass intended for Fullerton, but intercepted by Treves. The back checking Toby Bowling there. Nice play. Treves gets Kuster on the board dash. Loose in front of the net, no goal. Hatter, back to Nowakowski. Nowakowski back to it. That is the end of the first period. Tie ball game, 0-0. Intermission. Period 4. Hey, it's the fourth period. Hey, Jake. Stillerman has it. Jake hustling in the corner. That's coming out with the ball. He's got Culleton. Gets there to Culleton. Misses the pass. Zach Betts has it. Dumps it to Jake Bowling. Nice keep by Stillerman. Fires it in front of the net. Jake Bowling flips it out to the point. King. Nice little fake. Yeah, he took it. He need an extra 10 feet on that play. Oh, right off the face-off. That's the Stillerman. Just a rip in the top left corner. Blizzard goal. I believe that was Betts the Stillerman. He sellied so hard his gloves came off. Stillerman finds Bowling, back to Stillerman. Looking for the pass to Betts. Ramos gets it down. Betts rips it. On net, no icing. Great heads-up play. Get out of trouble quick. Stillerman rips it to King. Bowling misses the pass. Boylan. Too many bowlings. That rips it. King has it. That's a high stick. That's lining up with Frankie Talvito here.
Yeah, John, back up.
Referee drops it. Won by Talvito. He falls. Penalty on the play.
He would never.
Alex Betts, 27 of the Cryptids going into the box. Tripping is the call. All right, face off in the Cryptid zone. They will be short-handed for 2 minutes running clock. 1 minute advantage for the Blizzard in white. Face off won by Talvito over to Edinburgh. Stillerman rips it wide. Boylan looking for it. Long stick gets to it. He battles with Toby Bowling. Over to Yale. Yale clears it. It hits no ceiling, hits the goalie. No icing on the power play. King passes it over to Edinburgh. Edinburgh over to Talvito. Talvito rips it. Hits the goalie, deflected into the corner. Parley there. Parley and Talvito jockeying in the corner. Boylan's there. I think Parley just fouled. Still over a minute in the power play. Shot out of play by Parley. He's pointing at Boylan like it was his fault. I don't think so. He could take it. Hare taking the face off against Parmalee. Hare has it in the corner. Hare trying to pass it back to Edinburgh and gives it to Joe Bowling instead. Edinburgh has it. Bowling has it. Bowling looking for his nephew Toby. There's a board bash right to King. King to Edinburgh. Edinburgh takes it through the neutral zone. Over the blue line, he's onside. Creed's getting into position. Good pass deflection there by Yale. Toby's off to the races. Defended by John King. Nice pull up. Toby bowling. Shot. High and wide. It's going to go right to Edenburn. He waited a little too long. Parmalee caught up with him. No harm done. Edenburn with the ball. Yale has it. Look at the play. Over to Toby. Toby's got plenty of room. Toby, nice big cross-ice pass over to Colleton. Colleton gets it deep. Nice play. Received by Garrett Oliver. King. Hare has it. Okay, it starts with a KR. I know that. KR. Nice pass over Treves. Didn't have quite the angle he wants for a good scoring look. Had it back here up. Ooh, touched by Bowling and Parmalee. Bowling flips it up. High out of play. He's got a whistle. Face off. Is this a Jimmy John sticker?
Aaron, go blue line.
That's taking the face off. Oliver wins it. Oh, stolen. That was an interesting play. Yale had it, lost it. Stolen by Stolen. Stolen diving for the play. There's Yale. Zero to Colleton. Colleton has it in. Still in. Played by Oliver. Still in the zone. Still in. Creeds has it. Toby has it center ice. Toby Boy looking for someone to pass it. He finds looking for Colleton, doesn't find him. Nice little flip spin attempt. Yeah, worked for Parmalee. But back to Treves. Treves gives it right back to Betts. Oh, Hatter misses it. Still has it looking in front. That's like deflection off the backboards. Another Treves stick. No, Treves still has it. In the corner now. Looks for Betts. Oh, Hatter, no. Unable to connect. Still finds Treves on the far side. Treves looking for another shot. Ooh. Left down by Platt. Can't handle too many more of these Treves shots. Stillman held in. Stillman has room. He rips it. Platts makes the save. Still loose. Still loose. Still loose. At the feet. Betts has it. Look for the wraparound. Platts covers. Ooh, that's scary. Just over 5 remaining in the second period. 1-0 lead by the Blues. Here's Calvito taking the face-off against his nephew, Garrett Oliver. Gripped by Betts. King hills it in. King looking to pass. Over Bowling, robbed by Oliver. Oliver over Bowling. Bowling pursued by King. Looking in front, finds Toby. The shot, the goal! The bowling to bowling connection. Beautiful. Scored by Toby, assisted by Joe. Tie score. Cryptids just tied up 1-1. Just over 4 in the second. Nice little hop right over Joe's stick. Jake Bowling has it. Loves the pass. Garrett Oliver now on the attack. Garrett gets a deep shot on net. Not handled cleanly. Kalimas comes out with it. Joe gets a stick. See if he can get around Toby. He does. Kalimas is hustling. There's an icing. Coleman sends it right to Plumlee. Toby with the backhand. King blocks it with his foot. King reverses back to Stillman. Stillman with the flamer. So nice. Body by Beth, but Talvito is there to pick it up. Booster has it, rips it up the sideboards. Yep. Misread the play. Finally over to Culleton. Culleton back to bowling. One has it pass it to Tyler. Kusta rips it. Oh, Culleton! Kusta rips a shot, banged in by Culleton. Nice goal. 31s they count too. That's a 2-1 Cryptids lead now. Oh, Colton looking for another chance. He had a wide open net there for a second. Conley has it, trying to tie up Boylan. Boylan comes out with it. KRA. Trying to figure out his name. It's KRA. Cosmo Kramer. Pass up to Toby Boylan. Holds up, looking for Conley. Trying to get past King. He still can't pitch King, but he's letting him walk. Wow, nice pass. Ooh, nice play by Edenburn. 4-on-1. Cruister's the one. Edenburn over the hair. No, Cruister. Then Platt's able to make the save. Wow. That was Cruister. I'd be pooping my pants. You don't want to be the one on a 4-on-1. Oliver has it, looking for bowling. Nice flip. It was deflected right at center ice. Treves has it. Bowling putting on the pressure. Nice pass. Right to the basket. King calling for it. King rips it. It hits net. Deflected. King rips it. That's the end of the second. 2-1 Cryptid lead. Intermission. We're about to begin third period of play, final play of regulation, 13 minutes on the clock. Cryptids lead 2-1 over the Blizz. Got Garrett Oliver lining up against KRA Hare. Oliver wins a draw. Yale pops over bowling. Over to Hatter. Hatter dumps it in. Treves on the rush. Kuster is there first, rips it. Over to Yale. Yale gets out of the zone. Still in controls. Nice pass off the boards. Just a little ahead of him. A good idea, nonetheless. Colleton does not get a stick on it. Icing wave top. Stillman has it. Nice long pass intended for Hatter, but goes to Yale. Hatter on a trail. This Kuster rips it. That's the Creeds. Creeds over to Hare. This is the one-timer. A little baby pass over to Creeds. Colleton finds bowling. Oh, deflection wide. That's a Colleton. Oliver gets a stick on it. Bowling able to control. Bowling just shoots it on net. Okay. He's going out for a change. Still in the Hatter loses it. Yale in control. Yale pops it. Jared Oliver gets it. Right over the line. He's kind of by himself. He's Parmalee with him. Back to Yale. Pursued slowly by Hatter. Here we go. Yale pass over to Betts. Still bowling. Bowling flips it up the sideboards. Zach Betts has it. Joe Bowling using his back. That was interesting. Oliver, he's got a shot. Oh! Blasted high and wide. King has it up to Flamus. Hatter doesn't touch it. Flamus gets it deep. There he is. Oh, Hatter going up for a change. Flamus still has it in his gear. Good battle against Joe Bowling here. Betts comes out with it. Parmalee turns it over to King. King Stillman. Stillman rips it. Hits Yale. Nice flick from Betts back to Stillman. Stillman looking for bowling, but deflected by Parmalee. Parmalee has it. Flicks it deep. King has it. King looking for bowling. Broken up by bowling. Betts has it. He's got Polimus and bowling with him. Betts shoots. Just wide. Sticked way out of the circle. Polimus grabs it. Polimus finds Stillerman. Stillerman ditches Oliver, rips it. There's a goal. Polimus, King to Stillerman. Those are tied up 2-2. Just over 10 minutes remaining in the third. The Cryptids leads the charge. Parmalee gets it deep. Almost on net. Stillman brings around the net. He's got Jake Bowling in his sights. Finds Talvito. Play broken up by Kuster. Can't get a stick on it. He does. Go to Stillman. Stillman loses it to Colleton. Colleton hits the roof. Out of play. Number 9. Is the scoreboard top right corner of the screen. 2-2. Just over 9 to play here in the third. Face off here. Yeah, well, let's play with the Raptors. Alvita comes out with it. Just puts it on net to Platts. He covers it up. Platts had it with a stick, covers it. By Trees, that's a hot pass. Shoots it on net. It goes 5-hole. Blizzard goal scored by Treves from the point. That puts them ahead 3-2. Just over 7.5 minutes remaining. Reeves goal. Blizzard score 2-1. Blizzard are up 3-2. Booster has it. Rippy. Bowling, that was posted by King. Boylan has it again. Nice pass by Bowling to Edenburn. Edenburn at the point, rips it. Hits the stick. Nice play by a Wiley veteran. I think 2 of them. Hail Mary attempt to Boylan. It's at everybody's feet. Boylan pulls up. Likes to get to Edenburn. Edenburn back to Boylan. Boylan should have shot it, I think. He's got a great shot. Nice little give and go by Cryptids. Cryptids has it now. Right in front. Calvino! Puts the body in front. Cryptids is there. Ditches Keister. Looking for Boylan. Finds Boylan. It's in the back. Boylan goal from Cryptids. That puts the game 4-2 Blizzard. Just under 6 minutes left in regulation. 4-2 Blizzard lead. Keister just had a nice pass from Kobe Bowling, dumps it deep. Carmeline Stillman after it in the corner. Wailing over to keep it in the zone, flips it back to Oliver. No. Nowakowski has it with Hare. Onside play. Hare shoots it, deflected. Hatter looking for it behind the net. Hatter has it, shoots it in front. Hare gets it, kicks it back to Stillerman. Stillerman over to his deep partner Treves. Treves is gonna shoot. Looked by Yale. Treves has it back on the stick already. Oh man, thought he had it. Ball goes to Toby. Toby makes a great play on the defender. Stillman on him. Oliver calling for it. Or 12. Fired over the Betts, gets it deep, right past Alex Betts. Betts looking for a shot, no. Back to Jake Bowling. Bowling looking for Polina, still get a shot. Polimas over to Bowling. Bowling back to Polimas for the give and go. It's in the back of the net. Bowling to Polimas. That puts him up 5-2. Bangs it. Billy ups not to touch it. Icing. claps it high and wide. Treats gathers it up. Over to Betts. Betts shoots high and wide. Bowling for the rebound. No. Betts has it. Shovels it out. Over to Bowling. Bowling chips it past King. Betts on the chase. No icing. Just under 2 minutes to play in regulation. Deflected by Polimas. Nope. No. No. Polimas deflected it. Polimas deflected it. Betts is complaining. That's on net. Over. Oh, with open net. Toby Bowling loses it to King. Boylan has it. King is offside. King, nice elbow. Talk to him.
Hey, listen to you on it. He's talking shit. Big dog over here, 65. Hey, go take a seat. See ya. See ya.
That was cute. I'm getting involved today. I happened to see a Josh King elbow to the head of Toby.
You're good, bro. It's over there. Hey, you take the tape off. It's over there.
25 seconds remaining in regulation. Betts rips it wide. 20 seconds. 5-2 Blizzard lead. They likely have this sealed up. Treves still on the attack. Over to Edenburn. Edenburn. Calvito. Edenburn. Takes the shot. Boylan.
No!
Just misses wide. Hits the post. Over to Treves and a shot wide. Betts has it. Betts and Toby. 1 second. Shoots it after the whistle. All right, that's the end of game 2. Blizzard win the game 5-2. May 5th, signing off. Let's get some water.